Hello guys, welcome back. Do you want to create unlimited emails like this? Well, you are in the right place. You are watching The Tester. First, go to your browser and search for TempMail. After that, click on the very first result. Then just wait a few seconds for the email to be generated. Hit the copy icon to copy the mail. Scroll down a little bit for the inbox. As you can see, it is empty. Now we are going to test this to see if this works. For this I'm going to send a mail from my personal account. You can see that as soon as I paste the mail which we created, the account pops out. Now I'm going to type some random letters as my message. Let us check if this works. Just making sure that this is the same account. Now let us head to the inbox. Look, a mail has popped up. And it clearly says that it is from The Tester, which happens to be me. Now that we know it works, let us check how to make thousands of this. Just click on the delete button and wait until the site generates the next mail. If you want more mails, just repeat the process. You can create infinite amount of mails by using this trick. Hope you have learned something new from this video. Like, share and subscribe if you did. Thanks for watching.